this tutorial, I will show you how you can concatenate string in Python. There are many options in Python to concatenate or combine string with each other. Here I have used spider tree to do the direct string computation. The most simplest way to concatenate string is using class operator. So this example shows this text. I will copy the code here. Two string str1 and str2 are declared, and these two strings are concatenated using class operator. Here a space exists in the first string, so when the output will generate, then it will print I like space program. That is printed here, and here in string value and numeric value is concatenated here, and before the numeric value dollar symbol is concatenated using class operator. So first of all, I will save it. And after running the script, the output will be like this: I like programming, and the price of book is $50, and which is printed like this. The next example, string concatenation using percentage operator. That means using formatting, Python formatting, you can also concatenate the string. Here, again, two strings are defined str1 and str2, and the two strings are concatenated using percentage s. That means string value. So before the string, the value will be concatenated the output after combining a string, and two new lines will be generated. After that, a string value, that means str1, Python will be printed, and giving a space, it will print str2. So this is the output after combining the string. The output after combining with the Python is a popular scripting language. And the next computation process is format using format method. This is another way of generate formatted string by combining. So I will explain the script here. Two string value will be taken as input, and after that, format operator is used to concatenate this. Here, no positional value is defined, so by default it is 0, and this one is 1. In 0 position, it will print the first inputted string value, and 1 position, it will print the second inputted string value. And next, the combined value is printed. Okay, if I now run the script, then it will take the first input, suppose hello, and second input world, and the concatenated output is hello world. And next method is join method for combining the string values, and here join will combine three string values: str1, str2, and str3. str1, str2, and str3 is defined with three string values here, and it will add space for joining the string, we should define. You can use space or comma or semicolon or any character, and after combining, this is printed here. And here, comma is used for joining, and next new line is used for joining. So there are three types of joining are shown here. First of all, save the file. Control. And now I run. Here you can see. First time, no space is used, so every line is combined with each other. If I use space here, I again run the script. Then you can see the output here. One space is added here: Python programming, Bash programming, Java programming. And next, comma is used as a separator, and next new line is used for separator. And the next example is combining string tuple using join method. So a tuple variable is defined in this script. So a string tuple is defined here, and at the time of joining, it will use new line. So every elements of the tuple will be printed in each line. Compile. Here you can see each element are printed with new line. And the next and last example is generate a sequential string by combining two strings. Here also join method is used for the combining the string. Join method is also used here for combining the string. Two strings are A, B, C, D, and another string is one space. So this joining is different than others. Here str2 dot join str1. That means it will join like this. If you see the output, then it will be more clear how the output will generate. That is on 6. If I run it, then you can see A1, B1, C1, and D1. In this way, the output is generated. So, there are different ways of calculating string values are shown in this script. Now, you can apply your concatenation tasks very easily and using any of the options shown in this article. Thank you.